G'day guys, welcome to the channel again. Just want to do a quick video on or talk about the actual disc brake pads that I found on this Jeep. Now, mentioned in a few videos previously that I did the front brakes complete, except for the actual disc rotors. Now the disc rotors, I had a look at them and they were actually in pretty good condition, and also the measured width on the specs of those rotors were still within spec. So I thought I'd just leave them, but I had to change the pads. But upon doing that, I discovered that the brake calipers, the both front and left, were just absolutely shot, because the brake pads had worn so far down. Those pistons came right out. Now, had trouble pushing them in, but yeah, doing that, I noticed they were pitted, rusted, so tossed them out. So anyway, new calipers went in. So what I did is I went to Repco and yeah, bought these ones. Okay, these are the RCT radial, what they call camphor technology brakes. So they're pretty good. They're ready to use. There's no bedding in or anything like that. Minimal dust, minimal noise. As I said, no bedding in required. But I mean, like, yeah, these brakes were pretty thick, probably thicker than the original pads probably supplied by Jeep way back then. But anyway, I just want to show you these pads. So the on the passenger side, you can see these pads. There's actually a small section missing of the actual pad. You can see the width of it there too. Not much left. But get a load of this one. Don't know if you can see that. Again, the material, not much material left. Absolutely freaking nothing left. That was disgusting. I don't know how this thing was stopping. It was stopping. But yeah, but they're the brake pads that I pulled out of the original calipers. But yeah, so that's pretty disgusting. But as I said, I was so lucky that these pads did not damage the actual disc, brake disc itself. So yeah, new pads have gone in, as you know, as per previous videos. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the disgusting, yeah, condition of these guys. But yeah, so I took the car for another drive this morning, and yeah, the brakes are really nice and solid. I actually, another thing I did is I adjusted the steering box. Now, you've got to be very careful when you adjust these steering boxes. So there's a little lock nut on top of the actual steering box itself, and you just adjust it probably 1/6 of the turn, 1/8 of the turn at a time. But you've got to be very careful how you do it, that you don't over tighten it, because yeah, you'll just bust your steering box. It'll just be too tight. I noticed instantly that the slack of the steering wheel has gone. Haven't got it on the highway yet. Just took it around the local streets because, yeah, unregistered. So nice and careful. Just around the street and back. But anyway, yeah, it steered okay. Return to center is going okay. I actually might change the. There's a return to center shock absorber that sits on. Just on the track bar there, and I may change that one. I'll just see how it goes. I may pull it apart and see the resistance in there. Yeah, so that's basically it. Steering's going well. As I said, new tyres on, new brakes on. Very shortly it'll be on the road. So yeah, just a quick video on just showing you guys the horrible condition of those brake pads. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.